Welcome dear students. In last lecture we completed practice set 4.1. Today we have to construct today's our topic is practice set 4.2 and 4.3. Dear students, some basic rules or some basic information I want to share with you to construct the practice set 4.2 and 4.3. See dear student, in a practice set 4.1, we construct the triangle when its base, one base angle and sum of remaining two sides is given. Then we construct the triangle like this. Got it? Here it is point A and we join this A with B. These AD and AC are congruent. Now dear student, this type of a construction is the base, one base angle and sum of remaining two sides is given. Now we have to construct the triangle when its base, see dear student, when its base, one base angle is given and the difference between the remaining two sides is given. In this case, dear student, two concepts are there. See, suppose this triangle is there, ABC. In this case, if AC minus AB, in this triangle ABC, AC minus AB, that means the base is given, one base angle is given and the difference between two sides are given. In this case, AC minus AB is given. That means the side AC is opposite to the given angle. The side opposite to the given angle is greater one. At that time we have to do the construction. And second condition is that AB minus AC. AB minus AC means, in this case, the side opposite to the given angle is a smaller one. AB is a greater one and AC is a smaller one. Dear student, therefore see here. If AB minus AC is there, that means CBC is there and somewhere A point is there, and AB minus AC, that means this AB is greater than this AC. That means the side opposite to the given angle is a smaller one. At that time, we have to take a, suppose difference AB minus AC is 2.5. This difference we have to take in a compass, and from this B we have to make one arc on this side. See, when AB minus AC is there, we have to make the arc on the upper side. And when this condition is there, AC minus AB, that means opposite side is greater than the another side, at that time we have to produce this ray below to the base, and here we have to take the difference and make the arc like this. This is the main difference. If you understand this, then it is very easy. Now see dear student, today we have to see the another construction. The triangle is like this, and dear student, suppose ABC is a triangle and AB plus BC plus AC. This is the perimeter of a triangle. Now perimeter of triangle is given, it is suppose 10.5 and one base angle is 40 degree and another base angle is supposed to be 50 degree is given. Then we have to construct the triangle. Dear student, remember, for such type of a construction we have to require, first of all we have to draw the any segment XY of length of perimeter 10.5. Then see this 40 angle is there, make the half of that 20. We have to make the measure of 20 angle here, and at the point X 50 is there, therefore we have to draw the angle of 25 degree. We have to make the half of angle. Dear student, after that here we get point A and draw the perpendicular bisector like this. Now dear students, see here. We have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AX like this. Now see here, there point B and here it is point C. Join this A with B and A with C. Dear student, this is the rough diagram. This I draw to clear one concept here. Dear students, see here. This is a perpendicular bisector of AX. Therefore, AB is equal to XB. Okay. Now see, dear student. This is a triangle ABX. And if we produce this, then this angle is called as the exterior angle. And the measure of this exterior angle is equal to the sum of this remote interior angle. These two are called as the remote interior angle. Now see here. If we consider this triangle, this AB is congruent with BX. Therefore, angle X is congruent with angle A. This is 20 degree. Now, if we know the measure of angle B, now angle ABC is the exterior angle. Therefore, measure of this angle is equal to the sum of these two angles. Therefore, it is 40 degree. That's why we are taking the half of measure here. Here also, if we consider angle ACY, triangle ACY, this AC is congruent with CY. Therefore, this angle Y and angle A are congruent, it is 25 degree. Now, in triangle ACY, ACB is the exterior angle and measure of this exterior angle is equal to the sum of these two. 25, 25 is 50. Therefore, dear students, while doing construction, we are taking the measure half of this angle. 40 is 20 and 50 is 25. One more thing, AX is equal to BX, AB is equal to BX and AC is equal to CY. Therefore, AXB plus BC plus CY is equal to 10.5. Now dear student, this is the analysis part. Now while construction, I explain this again. Now dear student, watch the video completely first of all. Then try to construct the triangle, and if you have any doubt, then run the video, pause the video at specific step, understand that step and do the construction. Like this you have to do the practice of this construction part. Dear student, let's start with the construction. Dear students, let's start with the next construction. See the second construction. To construct a triangle, when its base, angle adjacent to the base and difference between the remaining sides is given. Dear student, in last lecture we completed construction when base, angle adjacent to the base and sum of remaining two sides is given. But in this case, the difference between the remaining side is given. Dear student, as I have explained you just now, in this case there are two types. One, when the side opposite to the given angle is greater one, and second type, when the side opposite to given angle is less than that of the another side. Therefore, dear student, how to construct I explain you in short. Now we have to learn. See the practice set 4.2. Question number first is given. See, construct triangle XYZ such that YZ is equal to 7.4 centimeter. That we have to take as a base. Angle XYZ is equal to 45 degree and XY minus XZ is equal to 2.7 centimeter. Dear student, in this case I have already explained you that there are two conditions. When the side opposite to the given angle is greater one, and another the side opposite to, the given angle is less than that of the another side. Now how to find out this? See, first of all we have to draw the rough figure. In this case YZ is given, it is 7.4 centimeter, therefore we write here YZ. Base is YZ. Then dear student, angle XYZ is 45 degree, that means angle Y is 45 degree. Therefore here we can take like this. And here angle is of 45 degree, and dear student, this is point X. Now see, given is XY minus XZ, that means this XY is greater than XZ, this XY and this XZ, the relation between these two is given XY minus XZ, that means the side opposite to given angle is smaller than this XY. Got it? See dear student, the side opposite to given angle is smaller than that of the another side. Therefore dear student, this is analytical figure. We can write here XY minus XZ is equal to 2.7 centimeter. Now dear student, what to do for how to construct this triangle? See, first of all you have to decide which side is a greater one and which is the smaller one. Now see dear student, first of all we have to draw here a base. The base is given, how much it is? YZ is how much? 7.4 centimeter. Now draw a one segment, it is of 7.4 centimeter. Therefore this is segment YZ 7.4 centimeter. Then at the point Y we have to make the angle of 45 degree. By using this protractor we can see Y, and here it is 45 degree, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and this is 45. Therefore dear student, we can draw one ray like this. Then the angle is of 45 degree. Now see dear student, the side opposite to the given angle is a smaller one, because XY minus XZ, that is greater side and this is smaller side. From this greater side we have to subtract the smaller side, therefore it is 2.7. Therefore XY is greater than XZ, that means this XZ, that means the side opposite to the given angle is smaller than that of the another side. Therefore in this case what we have to do? We have to consider the distance. Difference is how much? 2.7 centimeter. Therefore dear student, this much distance we have to take in a compass, and then see dear student, we have to take 2.7 centimeter distance. It is 0 and here it is 2.5, and after that 2 millimeter it is 2.7. and now see dear student, we have to take this distance in a compass like this and make the arc on upper side. See here dear student, the XZ, this side is less than this, therefore we have to put the metal point on Y. We are taking the distance, how much? The difference 2.7, and make one arc like this on the upper side of this ray. When, see dear students, see again, see, put the metal point on Y, take a distance 2.7 centimeter and make one arc on the upper side of this ray. If the opposite side of the given angle is greater, then we have to extend this ray below this base, and here we have to draw the arc. But in this case, the angle the side opposite to the given angle is smaller, therefore we have to draw the arc on this side, on the upper side of the base. And dear student, join this. We have to join this with Z. See dear student, we have to give the name another than that of X. We can write here W, then join this W with this Z. Now dear student, we have to fix the position of point X. For that purpose we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of WZ. Perpendicular bisector of WZ, how to draw, all of you know. We have to take a more than half distance, and here we have to draw one arc, here we have to draw one arc. Somewhere here the middle point will be there, and opposite to that middle point we have to draw the perpendicular bisector. Now keep the same distance, put the metal point on W and draw the intersecting arc like this. Now dear student, join these two arcs like this, and here our point is X, and join this X with this Z. Dear student, X, Y, Z is a required triangle. Now see, this is a perpendicular bisector, therefore this. Got it? Now dear students, see, this is the perpendicular bisector of WZ, therefore XW and XZ are congruent. Got it? Because any point on a perpendicular bisector is equidistant from the end point of that segment, therefore XW and XZ are the same. Now dear students, see here what we have to write here. This is important one, you must have to write it in exam. See dear student, this here YZ is 2.7 centimeter. Now see dear student, this analysis you must have to write it in exam, it is important. Now see how can we write this. See, all of you know that XW is congruent with XZ, because every point on a perpendicular bisector is equidistant from the end point. Dear student, we know that XY is equal to XW plus WY, because we write here X dash W dash Y, relation of betweenness. Now see here dear student, XY, this XW we have to take on this side, X, it will get minus XY minus XW plus, sorry, we have to write here, we are taking this XW on this side, therefore it is WY. Now see dear student, this XY minus XW is equal to WY. This WY is 2.7 centimeter. It is, we have written. Now this XY minus XW, instead of this XW we can write XZ, isn't it? Because see here 2.7, and we can give the reason here, XW is equal to XZ. XW is equal to XZ because the point X is on a perpendicular bisector of this WZ. Therefore dear student, we prove that this xy minus xz is equal to 2.7. Dear student, as a point of exam, this analysis is most important. You have to go through this again and again and try to understand and try to write the analysis. As a point of exam, you must have to write this. See, dear student, first of all, in this case, what we have to decide, which side is a greater one and which is the smaller one. By observing this, we come to know that the side opposite to the given angle is smaller than that of the another side. Therefore, what we have to do, we have to draw the arc of that difference. Difference is 2.7. Therefore, we draw the arc of 2.7 centimeter on the upper side of this base. But when the the side opposite to the given angle is greater than that of the another side, at that time we have to do the another construction. Dear student, in practice set 4.2, question number 2 is same as that of this. Try to construct that triangle. And dear student, now we have to construct the third question. Dear student, while solving this construction, this analysis is most important. You must have to write this. If you do the practice, then you are able to write it very easily. Now, dear student, start with the question number 3rd one. Now, see the question number 3rd. Construct triangle ABC such that BC is equal to 6 centimeter, angle ABC is 100 degree and AC minus AB is equal to 2.5. First of all, see dear student, base is given, one base angle is given and difference is given. In last lecture we learned about the addition of two sides is given, but in this case the subtraction is given. Now see how to construct. Before construct, we have to observe we have to draw the analytical figure. Dear student, BC is 6 centimeter. Therefore, we can draw the BC like this and it is 6 centimeter. Now we have to decide which side is greater and which is smaller. For that purpose, see, angle B is 100 degree. Now dear student, the angle B is of 100 degree. That means it is obtuse angle. Therefore, it should be like this. It is 100 degree. All of you understand this? And now dear student, this is point A and join this A with C. Now I think everyone understood this. Angle B is there, opposite side is AC, and here AC minus AB is there. AC minus AB, that means AC is greater than AB. Therefore, dear student, this is another type. In question number first, we see that the opposite side is smaller than that of the another side, but in this case the opposite side of the given angle is greater than the another side. Therefore, how to construct? See here, very simple it is and very interesting. If you do the practice, then construction gives you out of out marks. Therefore, dear students, first of all we have to draw the BC. BC is of 6 centimeter. Dear student, at the point B the angle is of 100 degree. Therefore, it is obtuse angle. See here, the base BC is 6 centimeter. Therefore, dear student, this BC, it is 6 centimeter. At the point B, the angle is of 100 degree. Dear student, put this on point B and draw the angle of 100 degree. Now dear student, this is angle 100 degree. Dear student, just now I told you that here we have to take point B and join this. As we know that the opposite side of given angle is greater, therefore we have to produce this ray or extend this ray below the base. Now dear student, see like this. This is angle of 100 degree. Now dear student, see, difference is given, that is AC minus AB is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Therefore now we have to take a distance of 2.5 centimeter in a compass. Now see here, we have to take a distance of 2.5. Therefore it is 0 and here it is 2.5. Now see dear student, put the metal point on point B and we have taken the difference 2.5 in a compass and draw the arc like this. Got it? This is 2.5 centimeter. Now dear student, this is point D. Then join this D with C. Now dear student, we have to fix the position of point A. For that purpose, what we have to do? We have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this DC. Therefore put the metal point on D. Take a distance more than half and make one arc like this on upper side like this. Keep the same distance, put the metal point on C, make the arc intersecting the previous arc. Now join this. Dear student, it is not intersecting the previous ray. Therefore what we have to do? See dear students, we have to join this. Dear student, see, this point of intersection is a point X. Now this X we have to join with, sorry, not X, it is a point A, and this A we have to join with this C. Got it? Now dear student, see, this is perpendicular bisector of DC. Therefore we have to make the marking of perpendicular and bisector. Now see dear student, this AD and this AC. Dear student, these A and D and A and C are congruent because point A is on a perpendicular bisector of this segment DC. Therefore dear student, we have to write here now analysis. For writing this analysis, what we have to write? See, first of all we have to consider this A dash B dash C. That means we can write here A D is equal to AB plus BD. For that purpose we have to write A dash B dash D. Now this AD we have to write AD minus this BD. AD minus C. AD. This AD is equal to AC. AD is equal to AC. This AB we have to take here AD minus AB is equal to BD. Just we take this AB on this side. Now this AD instead of this, or we put it as it is, AD minus AB is equal to BD. BD is how much? It is 2.5 centimeter. Now instead of this AD, we can write AC because AD is equal to AC. Therefore AC minus AB is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Here we have to write AD is equal to AC. Dear students, see here, AD is equal to AC. This property of perpendicular bisector we have to use here. Dear student, in this way we completed the two construction. In first, the side opposite to the given angle is smaller one, and in second, the side opposite to the given angle is greater than that of the another side. Dear student, this analysis is most important. Therefore, dear student, go through this video again and again, try to understand the concept and try to draw the figure in your notebook. Dear student, construction is very simple. If you do the practice, then it is very easy to construct. Now, dear students, we have to start with third type of a construction. Now see here, very simple and very interesting. You will enjoy this construction. Now see here, what is the type? In this case, see dear student, construction third is given. To construct a triangle, if its perimeter, base and the angle which include the base are given. Dear student, see, this is the another type of a construction. In this case, to construct a triangle, if its perimeter, dear student, all of you know the perimeter. Perimeter means sum of all the sides of a triangle. Sum of all the sides of a triangle. Base and the angle which include the base are given. That means perimeter is given. Then the two base angles are given and length of base is given. Then we have to construct the triangle. Now dear students, see here. Construct. We directly go to the practice set 4.3. Question number first is there. Construct triangle PQR in which angle Q is 70 degree, angle R is 80 degree, and PQ plus QR plus PR is equal to 9.5 centimeter. Dear student, the name of triangle PQR is there, and PQ plus QR plus PR is equal to 9.5. That means the sum of all the sides of triangles are given, and two base angles are given, Q and R. Dear student, how to construct this triangle? Now, first of all, we have to draw the analytical figure. In this analytical figure, what we have to draw? A triangle PQR. See here, one triangle is there. Here, angle Q and R, that is base is QR. Angle Q is 70 degree, angle R is 80 degree, and here it is point P. PQ plus PR plus QR is equal to 9.5 centimeter. Dear student, very simple. First of all, you have to understand the type of a construction. Got it? First one is base, one base angle, and the sum of two sides is given. Next one is a base angle, then base is given, one base angle is given, and the difference between that two sides is given. And now dear student, perimeter of a triangle is given, two base angles are given, and we have to construct the triangle. It is very simple, very interesting. First of all, dear student, how much perimeter is given? The perimeter of a triangle is 9.5 centimeter. Therefore, dear student, first of all, we have to draw a segment or the base of 9.5 centimeter. See, dear student, this we have to take 9.5 centimeter. and we have to give the name. Triangle PQR is there, therefore we have to give here AB. It is 9.5 centimeter. Dear student, at the point Q, the angle is of 70 degree. Therefore, make the half of that. Angle Q. See dear student, angle Q is 70 degree. Make the half of that. Half angle Q is equal to 35 degree. And here, angle R is equal to 80 degree. Half angle R is 40 degree. Therefore, dear student, at the point A, we have to draw the angle of how much degree? 35 degree. Because at the point Q, the angle is of 70 degree. Here we have to draw the angle of 35 degree. We have to make the half of that and then we have to draw the angle. See here 0, 10, 20, 30 and here it is 35. This is angle 35. What we have to do? We have to do the half of that. Then angle at the point B, we have to make the angle of 40 degree. It is 0, 10, 20, 30 and this is 40. Dear student, see here, this is our point P. The angle is of 40 degree. Now dear student, we got here two segments AP and PB. Now for finding out the position of point Q and R, we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of segment AP and perpendicular bisector of segment PB. Therefore put the metal point on B. Take a more than half distance, make one arc on this side and another on this side. Put the metal point on point P and draw the intersecting arc. Then join this. Dear student, this is the perpendicular bisector and see dear student, this is perpendicular bisector of segment PB. Now similarly we have to construct the perpendicular bisector of AP. Put the metal point on A, make the one arc on opposite side of this and another on this. Put the metal point on P, make the intersecting arc like this. Now join this. Now dear student, see this is also perpendicular bisector of segment AP. Now dear student, see here this perpendicular bisector of AP, perpendicular bisector of AP, this intersect the AB, that point is our point Q, and this perpendicular bisector of PB intersect segment AB at point is point R. Therefore dear students, see this P, Q and PR, this is the required triangle. See dear student, this AQ is equal to PQ because perpendicular bisector point equidistance from the end point, and here this PQ is equal PR is equal to RB because see dear student, we make it 3 line, this is 3 line, because this point R is equidistant from P and B, therefore BR and PR are equal. Now dear student, we have to write here analysis. How to write? See, dear student, first of all we have to write here AQ is equal to PQ and RB is equal to PR. Got it? AQ is equal to PQ and AQ is equal to PQ and PR is equal to RB. Now see dear student, we can write AQ plus QR. See in a figure, AQ plus QR plus RB is equal to AB. We have to write here A dash Q dash R dash B. Dear student, this AQ is congruent with PQ plus QR plus RB is equal to PR is equal to AB. Dear student, PQ plus QR plus PR is equal to AB is how much? It is 9.5 centimeter. Therefore, we got, dear student, here that AP is equal to PQ is equal to QR plus PR is equal to 9.5 centimeter. Here, if you observe this angle, see dear student, dear student, see here. This is angle AQP is a triangle. Got it? And this PQR is an external angle, and all of you know that the measure of this external angle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angle. Therefore PQR is equal to angle A plus angle P. Now dear student, angle A is 35 degree. This angle P is also 35 degree. Why it is 35 degree? Because this is the base angle of isosceles triangle. See, AQP. In this triangle, this AQ is congruent with PQ. Therefore, angle A is congruent with angle P. Angle A is 35. Angle P is 35. Now, dear student, PQR is the exterior angle, and the measure of this exterior angle is equal to the sum of these two angles. Therefore, angle Q is 70 degree. Similarly, if we consider PRB as a triangle, in this triangle PRA is an external angle, and the measure of this external angle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angle. This is 40, this is 40, therefore dear student, it is 80 degree. Dear student, try to understand this. Such type of explanation you will never get anywhere. Therefore try to understand. See, we did not have to draw the construction mechanically, but we have to understand the concept behind this. Therefore dear student, this angle, how we will get it is 70. For getting this 70, we have to draw here 35 degree. For getting this 80, we have to draw here 40 degree. Because see here, this is remote interior angle and this is exterior angle, and the measure of this exterior angle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angle. Therefore dear student, go through this video again and again and try to draw the constructions. Very simple and interesting construction is there. Base and perimeter is given and two base angles are given. We can construct the triangle very easily. Now dear student, question number from that practice set 4.3. Now we have to construct the another triangle. It is second question is there. Dear student, from practice set 4.3 we have to 4.3. Second question is there. The third one is for you. I think third one you can draw. Now see the question number second one. Construct triangle XYZ in which angle Y is 58 degree, angle X is 46 degree, and perimeter of triangle is 10.5 centimeter. First, understand the type. Two angles are given and perimeter is given. Very simple construction, dear student. If you on the full marks, then do the practice. Very simple. First we have to draw the analytical figure xy. Dear student, here it is. We can take y or x. X, y. Perimeter is how much? 10.5. Angle y is 58 degree. 58 degree. And at the point y, the angle is how much? 46 degree. This is 46 degree. Here it is, here it is 58 degree. Y is 58 degree, x is 46 degree, and here it is z. We can write here xy plus yz plus xz is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Dear student, just now we learn this type of a construction. Now see how to construct. Very simple. Just we have to write here angle x is equal to 46 degree, half angle x is equal to 23 degree. Then angle y is equal to 58 degree. Therefore half of angle y is equal to 29 degree. Now dear student, see first of all how much perimeter is 10.5. Therefore we have to draw the one segment of 10.5 centimeter. See dear student, here it is 0 and here it is 10.5. A, B. Now see dear student, here it is x and y. 40 angle is of how much? 46. Half of that 23. Therefore at the point A we have to draw the angle of 23 degree. This is 20. After that we have to take 3 millimeter, and this is the angle of 20. This is 23 degree. At the point B we have to take the angle of 29. 29. And dear student, this is our point Z. Now what we have to take? We have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AZ and ZB. We have to draw the perpendicular bisector of BZ first. Put the metal point on here, make one arc here, another arc here, then here it is perpendicular bisector of this ZW. Now same, see we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AZ. For that purpose put the metal point on A, take a distance more than half, make one arc here, another arc on this side, keep the same distance, put the metal point on Z and draw the perpendicular. Now this is a perpendicular bisector of this AZ. These are the congruent sides. Now see dear student, this is our point X and this is our point Y. Now join this x with z and y with z. Dear student, see, the AB is 10.5 centimeter. Now see here, we have to write the analysis. Analysis is most important. See, AX is congruent with XB, isn't it? Yes, because point X is on a perpendicular bisector of AZ. Therefore, one more thing, this Y is on a perpendicular bisector of ZB. Therefore, this ZB is congruent with YB. ZY is congruent with YB. Now, dear students, see, we have to write here this AX is equal to XZ, ZY is equal to YB. Now see, dear student, AX plus XY plus YB. I think everyone understood this. AX plus XY plus YB is equal to AB as A dash X dash Y dash B. Now see, dear student, AX is congruent with XZ plus XY plus this YB is congruent with ZY is equal to, what is the length? AB. Now dear student, XZ plus XY plus ZY is equal to 10.5 centimeter. We prove that this XZ plus YZ plus XY is equal to 10.5 centimeter. As dear student, see here, AX is congruent with XZ, angle A is 23, angle Z is also 23 degree, and this angle X is the exterior angle of this triangle. Therefore, measure of this angle is equal to the sum of this. Therefore, it is 46 degree, as we required this 46. And dear student, this is 29 degree. This is 29 degree. Therefore, this angle is also 29 degree, as these are the base angle of isosceles triangle. And this is exterior angle, and the measure of this exterior angle is equal to the sum of these two angles. Therefore, 29 plus 29, it is 58 degree. Therefore, dear student, see, very interesting, very simple construction is there. Do the practice of this and you will get the full marks in the construction. Dear student, practice is most important in a construction. Therefore, dear student, try to solve the sums, remaining sum. Next lecture we will see the problem set.